Welcome friends, this is Suresh Suswakarma presenting you class 10th mathematics. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss the chapters statistics. In this we are going to study the exercise 14.2. Dear friends, as we have discussed the formula of median and mode, we have completed the chapter 14.1 in which we have discussed the formula of mean also. So before starting this, we have to study the formula of mode. You can see here in the figure, mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this formula is highlighted here. You have to learn. Afterwards, we have discussed the example. Then we are going to start the exercise 14.2. Just see what is given in this. The following data shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Age is given this table, and in this the question is asking find the mode and mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So dear friends, as we have read already what is the mean of the data. In the mean, we have read three methods: direct method, assume mean method, and step deviation method. So step deviation method I have explained too much. Direct method is very easy. So today we are going to explain that assume mean method. So few students complains that sir you have explained only the step deviation method. So we are going to take in this question assume mean method to find the mean of this question. Okay friends, so let's see the mean of this given information from assume mean method. Just see the data is given. We have to make three columns. First of the class interval, that is the ages. Second is of the frequency, which is f. And third is the value of x, which is the midpoint of the class interval. Afterwards, we have to find out the d. The value of d is equals to x minus a. And then we need to find out f into d so that we can apply the formula x bar mean is equals to a plus sigma f into d upon sigma f. So let us write the data which is given there in the question. Ages we need to write, which is given there in your table. In the ages, 5 to 15 year, 15 to 25 year, 25 to 35 year, 35 to 40 years, 45 to 55 year, 55 to 65 years is the years given. Means the range of ages are given. Then their frequency 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So dear friends, let us find out the midpoint of this, which is x. 5 plus 15 is 20 divided by 2, that is equals to 10. So then for the second class interval, 25 15 plus is equals to 15 plus 25 upon 2 is equals to 20. The same as 10, 20, 25 to 35, you will get 30, 40, 50 and 60 are the midpoints, the value of x we have completed. Now we need to find out the value of d, that is x minus a. For this we have to assume the value of a, and a is n upon 2 term, or a you can take any of the value lies in the column of x. A is the value of This lies in the column of x of a, which is 30 in this. Then find the value of d. D is x minus a, means 10 minus 30, which is minus 20. 20 minus 30, which is minus 10. 30 minus 30, 40 minus 30 is 10. Then 50 minus 30 is 20 and 60 minus 30 is 30. Now we need to find out f into d. 6 2s are 12, minus 120, minus 110, 20, that is 0, 23 into 10, that 230, 14 into 2, 14 2s are 28, 280, and 5 into 30, which is 150. Now we need to find out the value of sigma fi di, sigma fd, or sigma f, means the column of f we have to add. We will get the sum of sigma of f is equals to 80. After that we need to find out the sigma fd, means addition of this column fd. So this is the positive numbers 230, 0, 8, 3, 11, 5, 16, carry 1, and 2, 2, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 660 is the positive number, and negative these two numbers. So 0, 3 and 2. 230 we have to subtract it. 0, 3 and 4. 430 is the sigma f into d. 430. So let's apply the formula. We can get the mean of this observation easily. So mean is equals to a, which is 30, plus sigma ft, that is 430, divided by 80. So we have to simplify. Now we will divide 43 upon 8. So divide 43 by 8. We will get 8 5s are 40, carry 3, 0.0, 8 3s are 24, then 6 is remaining, 8 5s are 40, 8 7s are 56. So we got the value of 43 upon 8 is 5.37, that is equals to 35.37 is the mean x bar of the given data. Right friends? Now mean we have solved it by the assume mean method. Right friends? Afterwards we need to find out its mode, as the two questions were asked there in this question. So we have to find mean हमने पहले कंप्लीट कर लिया. अभी हम इस इंफॉर्मेशन का मोड फाइंड करना है. तो चलो मोड देखते हैं. मोड आपके लिए इजी है. मोड का फॉर्मूला हमें यूज करना है. एल प्लस एफ वन माइनस एफ ज़ीरो अपॉन टू एफ वन प्लस माइनस एफ ज़ीरो माइनस एफ टू इंटू एच. सो मोड एल प्लस एफ वन माइनस एफ ज़ीरो अपॉन टू एफ वन माइनस एफ ज़ीरो minus f2 multiplied by h. Okay friends, let's see the frequency column. In the frequency, 23 is the maximum frequency. As 23 is the maximum frequency, therefore the class interval 35 to 45 is the modal class in this, right? So therefore 35 to 45 is the modal class. Here that f1 is equals to 23, then f0 is 21, means the frequency of the class preceding median class, modal class, that is 21. 21 will be the f0, right friends? Afterwards getting f0 is 21. Now 14 is the f2. Why? Because f2 is the frequency of the class succeeding modal class. So 14 is f2. After that we need to find out the value of L in this. L is the lower class limit of the modal class, which is 35. You see, the class interval 35 to 45, L is called that lower. L is equals to 35. Right friends? And h is equals to the difference, means size of the class, which is 10. Now substitute these values there in the formula. We will get the mode easily. So from the modal class, it is clear that mode lies between 35 to 45. So mode Z is equals to L is 35 plus F1 is 23 minus F0 is 21 divided by 2 multiplied by F1 means 23 minus F0 is 21 minus F2 is 14 multiplied by H is 10. Simplify करते हैं 35 plus that is equals to 12. 2 the 23 minus 1 is 2. 23 2s are 46 minus that is 35 into 10. So 35 plus 2 20 divided by 11. Now 20 को 11 से divide कर लेते हैं and the value we have to add in 35. 35 plus 11 1 is 11.8. 1.8 is the division of 20 by 11. So 35 plus 1.8 that is 36.8 is the mode of our class is the mode of the given information. Right friends? So we got its mode as well as mean also. Right friends? Any problem? Okay friends, let's see the question number 2. In this, it is given the following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. So lifetime as a class interval and its frequencies are given of 225 electrical components. Then determine the modal lifetime of the components. Right friends? So let's start solving this question. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So find out all of its terms. L is, first of all we need to find out the modal class. So the maximum frequency is 61. So this is the modal class and 60 modal class is 60 to 80, right? So L is equals to, here L is equals to 60, F1 is 61, F0 is 52, F2 is 38 and L is equals to 60. Afterwards H is equals to 20. Size of the class is 20. Right friends? So here the modal class is 60 to 80, therefore our mode lies between 60 to. Let's substitute the values in the formula. Now mode is equals to L. L is 60 plus F1 is 61 minus F0 is 52 divided by 2 into 60 minus F52 F0 F1 is 52 F minus F2 is 38. Right friends? And multiplied it by 20, which is H. Let's solve. 60 plus 61 minus 52 is 9 divided by, this is 122 minus, add these two, so we will get 60 plus 30 is 90 multiplied by 20. Solve करते हैं इसको. 60 plus 9 2s are 180 divided by, subtract it, we will get 32. Simplify करते हैं by, that is divisible by 90 and 2, this is 2 9s are 90 and 2 16s are 32, again by 2 2 8s are 45 by 8 came, so 60 plus 45 by 8, 8 5s are divided, 45 by 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40 and 8 6s are 48, so 5.6 60 plus 5.6 we will get 65 point. Hence, I think with these two questions, you all are well cleared that how to find mode. एक्चुअली इस एक्सरसाइज में हमें मोड स्पेशली एक्सप्लेन करना था आपको. मोड एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए पहले आप मॉडल क्लास डिसाइड करोगे. मॉडल क्लास डिसाइड करने के बाद सभी कंपोनेंट्स फाइंड करने के बाद यू हैव टू अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. यू विल गेट द मोड easily. Right friends?